Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily remove videos you reposted on TikTok from your profile. So let's say that I reposted this video, so I'm gonna click on arrow here and click on repost. Then I want to delete it from my profile. So I actually faced this problem a few days ago where I accidentally repost a video and I don't know how to remove it. So now I figured it out. So you just need to go to your profile, and in here these are the list of videos that I posted. You can see that there is no option to remove or delete it from my profile. When I long press the video, it does nothing. When I click on the video, there is no options to remove it like this. So the one thing that you need to do is you need to first click on the share icon in here, the arrow, and then here there will be an option to remove repost. So just click on this yellow button in here, and then just like that, when you go back, the post or the videos has been removed from your profile. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.